All right, what's up, everybody? We're here with our first break of Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Thank you, everybody, for joining. Filling it up here. Here are your teams. The last Team Mojo went to the Rays. Thomas H. So take a look for that. We got to open the case up first to see which half we're doing. Let's actually put this here.
I have the white Gabbard one, I have the gray Kopitar one, I have a real authentic purple one.
Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Gabriel wants to see a Yount 101 or a Bench 101. Nice. Nice. Either or. What about out of 5? Would that be okay? Lee wants a Syndergaard 101. Oh, man. You guys are expecting... Oh, man. Got some high expectations. All right. So we're going to roll the dice on the random.org scene here. You guys can see it. So 1, 2, 3 left side. You guys can see it on the bottom right there. Over there. 4, 5, 6 right here. What's that? So 1, 2, whoops. 1, 2, 3 left, 4, 5, 6 right. 1 left side. So this will be number 2. Gonna write over Mr. Clemente there. 2, 2, 2. Cool. So number 2 is in store. Start taking your teams now. We're expecting to get through all 10 today, so. Before I start, let me get you the link for number 2. Here you guys go. Ton of teams left in that, so let's get it going. All right, first box, Museum Collection Baseball. Got Mr. Roberto Clemente on the cover this year. I think we had Babe Ruth last year. Nice. Yeah, the legacy autos are nice. In terms of, like, design-wise, I like them. Kind of a mix of, like, Valor football and, like, a little fire mixed in. Alright, first box. Good luck. Here we go. It's pretty much same configuration year in, year out. I always like it. It kind of looks like the football base card wise. Alright, here we go. So we got Miguel Sano, rookie. All cards ship as well, guys. Gregory Polanco. Evan Longoria, there's a little Ray. We got Carlos Carrasco, number to 199. Just talking about him. This one's Cleveland Indians. That is Clyde the Glide. And triple patch, 21 to 75. Look at that. Actually, a quad patch in there. 21 to 75, Pedro Alvarez for the Pirates. Pittsburgh Pirates hit, Chris M. That one. Nice color in there. 3 color. And that's number to 75, too. So yeah, pretty much looks a lot like the football that was last year's. We got Todd Frazier, Carlos Rodon, Michael Brantley, Felix Hernandez bronze, and we got our first auto of the break. We got numbered 93 of 199 for the A's, Sonny Gray auto. Archival autos. Oakland A's hit, Daniel B. That one. Alright, pack 3. Sonny Gray dropped some of my team this year. Supposed to do pretty well for the A's. Although I don't know about the A's record, but hopefully Sonny Gray gets some solid outings. Right, we got Luis Severino for the Yankees. Crush Davis for the Orioles. Rob Refsnyder. We got AJ Pollock for the Diamondbacks. And the hit, Triple patch auto for the Rockies. Number to 299, DJ LeMahieu. Triple jersey auto. That one's 163 out of 299. Rockies hit. AJ with that one. Here you go, AJ. In the Twitch chat. Nice one, number to 299. Who called the Rock? You thought it was Trevor Story for a second. That would have been nice. LeMahieu's pretty solid too. Any position player in Colorado's gonna hit some bombs. It's almost like taking steroids. Unfair. Unfair advantage. Alright, we got Canvas Collection. Is that Tom Seaver? Whoa, we got a 1 of 1. Wow, that's a 1 of 1. That's an original Canvas Collection for the New York Mets. I did not think that was I thought it was a reprint for a second. Look at that. 1 of 1 Tom Seaver. I think the artist is Brian Kong, I want to say. I've seen him at like Comic-Con and stuff. That's a nice one. 1 of 1 artist original Canvas Collection of Tom Seaver. That is sweet. New York Mets. Lee Real Regicidal. There you go, Lee. Wow. That is sweet. Now that I'm actually looking at it, you can see, just put it right on the card. That's pretty cool. Tom Seaver, 1 of 1. Congratulations, Lee. That's a nice hit to start us off the first box. Wow. We got Miguel Cabrera, Clayton Kershaw, Prince Fielder to 99, 12 of 99. And we got a 2-color patch, 32 out of 35 for the Atlanta Braves, Julio Tejera. Meaningful material. Alex D with the Braves. I know. Keep going with the Mets hot hands. I feel like I'm always pulling Mets 101s. Alright, next box. Box number 2. Feels a little light. Glad it's more 1 box, yeah. Did anyone, like, when I first looked at it, I didn't think it was an original. Because you know how they had those canvas collections, there's reprints. I was shocked, to say the least. See ink on the back. No Nationals just yet. Yeah, no Nationals yet. I see Mark's got the Nationals in this one, though. Mark Nowo. In this first half case. I can double check after this, but I think he grabbed the Nationals in this one. We got Max Scherzer, Jordan Zimmerman, Paul Goldschmidt, Troy Tulowitzki to 199 for the Blue Jays. Rylan with that one. His first break ever grabbing the Blue Jays. And we got a Jack Peterson, 25 of 99, quad jersey. A little 2-color action for the Dodgers. JJP, who sniped the Dodgers in all 10 breaks. Getting some Jack Peterson. Mini box number 2. Wow, we got our framed auto. Look at that. Gold framed auto coming up. Dang. What a half case so far. Alright, we got George Springer. George Springer. Sonny Gray. I told you guys to take him. Adam Jones. Christian Yelich. And a gold framed autograph for who else but the Tampa Bay Rays, Evan Longoria. Tampa Bay Rays, Thomas Hutchings with that one. 2 out of 15. Gold framed auto, Evan Longoria. Last team mojo. Bam. What did I tell you? Tampa Bay Rays. It's worth it. $22. Chance to get one of these case hits. Pretty sweet. Mr. Longo, 2 out of 15. There you go, Tommy boy. Thomas H got it. Tommy Boy Jr. 23. He's in the Twitch chat right now. He's like, look at that last team mojo. All right, we got a canvas collection of Noah Syndergaard. That's not an original, is it? No. You just got the reproduction. Still a nice one. Joey Votto. Corey Dickerson. We got Mad Bum to 199. If that was original, I would have gone nuts. That's David H. with the Giants. And we got a 2-color patch. 47 out of 50. Michael Pineda for the Yankees. Richard K. That one. I would have been shocked. We had two original sketch cards for the same team in the first 2 boxes. I'm sure they do multiple originals, and then they only put one out. I'm sure they have to do a ton to get it right. All right, we got Christian Yelich, Caleb Cowart, Manny Machado, Matt Harvey. We got Adrian Gonzalez, 29 of 99 dual jersey auto for the Dodgers. JJP Joseph, that. 29 of 99. All right. Next box. Yeah, the Dodgers have a ton of hits. You got Koufax autos and stuff like that. Tommy Boy says he wasn't expecting that for only $20. Hey, I said I was surprised that the Rays were still up there. $20 for a chance at some of the big case hits. You got a chance at bat barrels, dual autos, all that kind of stuff. I'm pretty sure the dual autos are 1 per case unless they changed it from last year. I mean, so Tommy Boy could hit both. Wouldn't that be a story? All right, we got Joey Bats, Jose Bautista. Is that when he flipped his bat there? Trey Turner for the Nationals. Another Mad Bum. Paul Goldschmidt. The hit for the Cardinals. Nice. 26 of 299. Steven Piscotty. Nice rookie dual jersey auto. St. Louis. Lee. I'm sorry, no. Lee has the Mariners. Robert S. That one. Numbered 26 out of 299. Read my list wrong. Man, the bottom half of these teams hitting. Rays, Cardinals, Blue Jays. All right, we got Dylan Betances. Oh, wow, did they really? Zach Greinke. Bryce Harper. Jason Kipnis. For the Cardinals again. Primary pieces. Quad jersey, number 99, Matt Carpenter. Another one for Robert S. 3 out of 99. Next pack. We got Lorenzo Cain. Craig Kimbrell. Chris Bryant. Manny Machado, bronze. And the auto. Marquise Grissom. 15 of 299. Montreal Expos goes to the Nationals. Mark with that one. 15 of 299. Go Mark. I just need some Harper. And pack 4. Box number 3. We got Canvas Collection, George Brett. Reproduction right there. We got Eric Hosmer, Anthony Rendon. We got Altuve to 199. Green parallel for the Astros. James. And a nice patch. Look at that. 8 out of 50. Part of the Marlins piece right there. D. Gordon. Nice hit. Miami. Douglas. 8 out of 50 D. Gordon patch. Nice one. Couple speedsters. Altuve and D. Gordon. All right. Halfway through box number 4. There we go. All right. Box 4. Yeah, the quads are pretty cool. They got some historic quads as well. Yeah, I could sleeve that one. Yeah, I have all the canvas collections put to the side there. What's that?
Charles actually wearing the stuff.
Oh, the Kobe Bryant stuff. I don't think the MLB is as strict as NFL.
Yeah, no.
Edwin Encarnacion,
You get fined for wearing the green for the kids.
or like pink for breast cancer. Josh Reddick, Kenley Jansen, George Springer bronze, and look at that patch. Wow, that is sick. 5 out of 5. James Shields for the Padres. Check out my patch, James Shields. San Diego, Rory. Wow. Another one of the last teams taken. One of those cheaper teams that people sit on because they don't think they got anything. They got stuff, guys. James Shields, colossal patch auto. That's part of like the retro Padres. 5 out of 5. Nice one. Big game, James. There you go, Rory. Get those cheap teams, guys. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All still up there. Now I need some Reds. Oh, man. You guys are making me deliver on all the teams that were sitting up there. Alright. We got Jay Upton, Justin Upton, Maikel Franco, Mookie Betts, Dylan Betances. And we got an auto for the Rockies. 83 out of 299, Vinny Castilla. Archival autos. Another hit for Colorado. AJ. Rockies hitting good. I think they were up there with, what, like 6 or 7 teams left. I'm not sure. Ziggy, this is our first 6 boxes. We haven't had a book yet. But I don't know if there are one per case or not. Alright, we got Trevor Rosenthal. Oops. Severino. Matt Harvey. Got to 199 Trey Turner for the Nationals. Mark. And a nice quad patch. This one's for the Pittsburgh Pirates. 27 to 75. We got Andrew McCutchen. 3 color in the top left. We got Jung Ho Gang on the top right. Garrett Cole, bottom left. And then we got, I almost said Kettle Marte, Starling Marte for the Pirates. Nice hit for Chris M. With that one. And last mini box. Box number 4. Ooh, look at that. Canvas collection. Dennis Eckersley. Look at that mustache. Oakland A's, Daniel. Then we got Chris Davis. Rob Refsnyder. We got number to 99, Carlos Rodon. Blue. White Sox, Jerry. Did I say Raleigh Fingers? Did I say somebody else? And then we got, wow, 1 of 1, Clay Buchholz for the Red Sox. 3 color patch, 1 of 1. Boston Red Sox, Jeremy. Yeah, that's probably fingers, by the way. 1/1 Clay Buchholz. 3-color patch. Jeremy picked up the Red Sox with a few teams to go. Rewarded with a 1/1 green Clay Buchholz. Look at that. That is sweet. Yeah, there was a Jose Altuve to 199 so far for the Astros. No hits yet, though. Got that numbered card. Nice. Second 1/1 from Jaspys this week. Hot streak. Oh, yeah, that's right. Mike Evans. That was sweet. That 1/1 auto. Yeah, so I'll get this video uploaded after we finish up these last two. We got Gene Segura, Starling Marte, Yasiel Puig, Todd Frazier. We got a triple jersey auto for the Braves. 18/25, Shelby Miller. Atlanta Braves said Alex with that one. Little thing on the corner in the back right there. Shelby Miller right there. Yeah, they still got them on Braves on that one. Atlanta Braves. We got Jock Peterson. Yeah, the Tom Seaver signed by the artist. Felix Hernandez, Aaron Nola. We got to 199. Another one for the Pirates. Chris with that one. And look at that patch. Another nice patch. 63/75. 1, 2, 3, 4 color. Quad patch. Josh Hamilton. Texas Rangers. Ricardo. Nice one. Another patch in here or something. Yeah, it's a fat one. Ooh, we got Clayton Kershaw. Reproduction. I think this was one of the ones done by Kazu over there in Tokyo. That's nice. Whoops, we got Giancarlo Stanton, Rougned Odor, Clemente /99, and we got for the Indians. Look at that. 6/35 camouflage patch. Corey Kluber. Cleveland Indians. Going out to Clyde. Nice hit, Clyde. 6/35. Tricked you on that one. You were thinking some Reds. Got the Indians in that one. There's a few red teams. All the art teams that were left on the board. Alright, last pack. Yeah, no problem. Should have an auto in this one. Hey, is the artist B. Kong is Brian Kong, right?
Yeah.
Look at this sketch card. We had a 1/1 sketch card of Tom Seaver.
Wow. Very nice.
Signed on the back too.
That's Brian Kong.
Yeah, right. We've seen him at like Comic-Con and stuff.
Yeah. Nice.
Put it right there. Byron Buxton. Andrew McCutchen. Colton Wong. Xander Bogaerts. The auto for the Giants. 238/299. Matt Williams auto. Archival auto. San Francisco Giants. David H. Big boys. 007. Nice. 238/299. There you go, Dave. First Giants hit right there. All right. Final box. Good luck. See what we got. No randoms to do yet. I like that. Yeah, these cards look nice, right? $2. Yeah, museum baseball is always a classy design. I like it. Uh-oh, we got a redemption coming up. First one, we got Michael Conforto, rookie. Anthony Rizzo. Carlos Martinez, Yasiel Puig. We got a redemption. Premium print auto. Premium print auto. Those are just common, right? Those aren't anything. Of Greg Maddux. Wow, look at that. Premium print auto. This Cardboard Connections has him out of 25. Greg Maddux. This one is Braves version. Greg Maddux. Number to 25. Nice hit for the Braves. Alex D. With Atlanta. Braves. There you go. That's a nice one. Premium print auto Greg Maddux. Sweet. Yeah, according to Cardboard Connection, says serial number down to 25. Yeah, Chris Bryant, Cam's collection. Right there. Yoenis Cespedes. Strasburg. We got number to 99, Christian Yelich. And a 2-color patch, another one for the Marlins. 18 out of 50, Giancarlo Stanton. Miami Marlins hit going out to Douglas. Right there. Nice, 18 out of 50. They don't have museum basketball. Topps doesn't have a basketball license, Paul. But they have museum football and museum baseball. Although next year they won't have any football because they lost the football license too. So it'll just be baseball going forward. Unfortunately. Alright, we got Buster Posey. Barely know her. Xander Bogaerts. Josh Donaldson. To 199, another Stanton. Marlins hit. Doug. And wow, look at that. Roger Maris. Legends quad bat. 8 out of 25 for the Yankees. Richard K. Roger Maris, 8 of 25. There you go, Rich. Looking for some Yankees love. There you go. 8 of 25. Roger Maris. Nice. That is a sweet card. In the final pack, good luck, everybody. I had a little tear in this one. Might have an auto in here. You haven't heard that one? See, I try to say it kind of lowly. We got some kids watching, you know. But I like that one. Byron Buxton. Heard that on some TV show. Andrew McCutchen. Colton Wong. Rougned Odor. And the final auto, David Wright. End on a Met. Start with a Met 101. David Wright, 2-color patch auto for Lee. 41 out of 50. Some pinstripes in there. Signature swatches. All right, that was the first half of Museum Baseball. If the dual autos are one per case like they were last year, we might have that coming up. Maybe a booklet. Maybe a little bat knob, bat barrel love. Stay tuned, guys. Second half of that case is filling up right now. How many teams we got left? We got 20 teams left, number 2. So get it going, guys. Thanks everyone for joining. Thanks for watching on jaspyshobbyland.com.